Hello everybody, Stan here, the app developer. I want to show you today how to create or edit road on a map or import one if you have a GPX file with waypoints or a road. We start with preparing the canvas, that's a map in our case. Let's switch to a full map screen mode. Tap on a full map screen button and then again to make the map even bigger. I'm currently using an offline pre-downloaded map, but as I'm at home, let me just use online satellite map option. It might be better for planning the road. Let's use a map switch button to see the list of all available maps. Here is my downloaded piece. I can also add a new map, either an online map source or download an offline map. I'll go for a Google's hybrid map. Let me pick hybrid here and make this map active and return back. I also want to create a new waypoints collection to be my road. Menu, waypoint collections, plus, and let me name it road 1. Let me make it a default as well, so new waypoints will be added into this collection. That's what I want. And give it some pink color. I also want to set this collection as a route. To zoom in and out, you can pan the map in and out, or tap on the map to show zoom buttons. By default, map follows a location and rotates as you change your direction. That's mostly good for looking at where you are. To start searching and editing on the map, tap on a Follow Me button to disable the centering. Let's create our first point on the road. Move the map until red arrow points to the right location and tap on a plus button. That's our first point. When you create a road, app tries to name waypoints automatically based on their order in the road. You can simply tap on a waypoint, open it and change its name. Second one to be here. And let's explore the road instruments panel, this one. This button lets you change a default collection to add waypoints to. Here is the total distance of a road. As we have only one waypoint currently, it's 0. Oh, and I have it in meters, and I wanted to show this in imperial units. So it's 0 feet, and we can see that the distance of the next planned leg is 501 feet. It's from point 1 to the map center where red arrow currently is. And the total distance of the road that is planned, including this planned leg, which is shown in white color a bit, is 501 feet. So let's go and add some waypoints. You can see next leg is 416 feet and total is going to be 0.17 miles. Let's do it. Let's say I created quite a road, but now I want to add some points in between. What I do is to tap on an existing waypoint and say insert after. We can see that actually planned lag is updated with real value, and total value is also updated to reflect that now the road is going to be longer. Let me do it here. You can see that waypoints, all of the waypoints in the road are automatically updated with a new name corresponding to their order, and I want to insert another point. Let's say here plus. So here I have an updated road without the need to delete all of the waypoints that I created actually before those that I needed to add as new ones. One of the tools we have to help with road creation is a focus tool. Here, it allows us to focus on all of the waypoints in the collection, like this, or current location and a collection. Here's current collection, fit in with all of the waypoints in this collection into one single map screen. Or you can move to the start point, like this, or to the end point. Search by address or coordinate can be helpful as well. Use a search button for this here. Let's search by address. When you pick the suggestion, center of the map is moved to its location, here. Tap on a plus button to add next waypoint here. If you want to delete this waypoint, you can just tap on it and pick delete. Same for coordinates. Okay, moved here. Again, we can add a point here. Oh, let's delete it. You may ask, do I always need to move the map to add a new waypoint? As a matter of fact, you can just hold your finger on any place at the map and choose Create Waypoint here. If you want this waypoint to be automatically named by its order, just delete its name, have its name empty. Save it and you have point 10 here. We have more tools to help us with road creation. Here, the coordinate of the red arrow or map center is shown. And here is a direction the map is pointing to, or red arrow is pointing to. It might be helpful, for example, to tell what's the direction of travel between point 7 and point 8. Let's do it. Just rotate the map in a way that actually red arrow matches the direction of point 7 to point 8 leg. And now we can say that it's approximately east 89 degrees here. And the last reading is a distance between current location and red arrow or map center. This is about it for the road creation, but I wanted to share one more trick. If you have a track recorded previously and want to create a road to repeat it, you can pin this track to a map. Okay, here's the track, and let's use more options and pin to live map. Return back now, and we can see this track now being present on the map. So it's quite easier now to add these road waypoints exactly where you need them to repeat the track you once have recorded. What if you already have a GPX file with a road? And you can just import it into the app. Let me go to my iCloud drive, and here is the GPX file with the road. Yeah, I can just eyeball it to see that it's really a road file with road points, and then I can just open it in the app. I know there is only one single road in this file, so I can pick this roads path, and I can see waypoints in this road. I can choose to see all of them as well. Let's say nearby. So here we see 33 of them. And now what I want is to show them, to find them on a map. So I pick them as a default collection and just use our focus tool to show the whole collection, the whole road on a map. What I want as well to assign it some color. So let me do it. Waypoint collections, and I want to assign it a color like this. So here is my road, all ready to navigate. Now this is really it for editing roads and creating roads on a map or importing them from GPX files. Let me return back to where I am and pick up the offline map again. Yeah, that's on a zoom level. Download it. So now this is it. So all that's left is just to say target and pick my road as a target for the navigation. This is it. There is a separate video covering this. Thank you for watching, and don't miss the navigation demo video.